throughout was a fucking pain in the ass because it was stuck. I got this big ass Cool Master fan here and whatnot, so yeah, let's continue to roll in here. Almost done. just getting to the last parts of this PC build, well, PC transfer, the tower transfer. Come to find out, this tower does not come with the brackets where I can put the hard drives on, as you can see here. So I must find a way to somehow get these onto it somehow, or else I'm just gonna pretty much put the hard drives here on the ground, because now I gotta wait for more. Yay! I'll try to figure out something, so let's do it. Now I'm gonna zip tie this to over here until I get my brackets for this actual mounting system in here, because it goes by one. It's not a whole rack like a NZXT. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Convenient, but I should have read on the details that it doesn't come with the mounting brackets for hard drives. So let's go. We're gonna do it now. Finally done with putting it all together. Cable management looks better because most of it's hidden underneath here, so that's a plus. Probably I'm gonna get a new replacement fan because this one is big and bulky, and I think it's causing my GPU to actually bend slightly, and it's just fucking humongous, and it's really annoying. It worked. It still works, but yeah, it's too big and bulky. I don't like that at all. Might get a water cooler. I'm not entirely sure, but I know for sure this is getting removed. And it's red, so it doesn't... Skynet, its theme is blue, and this is like the heart, I guess, making it red, so it looks ugly. But yeah, take a look for yourself. That bend though. Well, it powers on, so I need to actually select a good boot device. But it looks so pretty though. Alright, now to actually boot it up and make sure I get it booted up correctly, because, yeah. Finally. And got it back. I had to remember which, wow, that's extremely shaky. I had to remember which one my boot manager was. And yeah, that was pretty quick, so I did everything correctly. And motherfucker, just gotta remember my password. We're back, and we live, baby. We live. That transfer took maybe about maybe 6, 7, maybe even 8 hours. Because of course I wasn't always at the same spot as you see in the video. Fast forward and whatnot, the time lapse. So yeah, let me go check inside, you know, my computer. Ooh, it looks so much better on the monitor. Wow. That's quick response time. What the hell am I doing not playing on a monitor? Da 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 da. All right, pretty much all my drives are there, besides my solid state that's in the back because I need to attach another one to the back. But pretty much everything is here and still named with the same names and all that. So I have successfully completed my desktop tower transfer. Now I get to play some games. So yeah, thank you all for watching the video. Hopefully enough of you liked it. It's my first time-lapse video. Yeah, so my PC Skynet here is gonna grow over time along my YouTube channel, because you know I just like fucking PC shit now. I wouldn't say I'm necessarily done with consoles, but I'm definitely moving more towards PC because just I like the customization things like this that I can do. And of course, I'm gonna get parts and do unboxings for them and do reactions, and it's just gonna grow with me. Simple as that. Skynet will fucking rise, and you will see. And I seen jaystwocents. He influenced me to make videos like this, progression videos. So I'm gonna start doing it. So you'll see Skynet slowly but surely. It's gonna get up there. My pops is supposed to be getting me the Ryzen 7 1700X. We'll see. And yeah, my little brother has a better PC than me. Dude got a 1080 and a 7700K. I'm still with the 6800K. And the only thing I got good that's in here is my GPU, the RX 480, the XFX Black Edition, the 3800 megahertz. Yeah, that's all I have. My motherboard is even a garbage gigabyte one that was only like $60 something, because the original one that I had was better, but I deleted a program file and it disappeared. Well, hopefully you like the scenery back here. I'm definitely getting rid of that fan. So yeah, if you want to actually get any of the parts that I have, the links will be down below for them for the Amazon, so you can help me gain some affiliate points, because I am an Amazon affiliate. And also this awesome case as well. Probably eventually, not eventually, I won't say probably, but later on down the road I'll get the full tower version, because I actually like this. I might have to get another acrylic window just because it got a little scratched and I don't like scratches. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna do more time-lapse videos as my PC grows. And yeah, don't forget to check out ZFG Nation. Check them out. The links will be down below or on the screen in front of you here. Cool ass people. They will hook you up. If you want to get sponsored or become an affiliate, hit them up. They will get you. You can also join the Discord. That link will be down below as well. Join us. Cool ass peeps. I see them as a family. We always look for each other, look out for each other and all that whatnot. So yeah, let's do it. Also, check out Echo 5 Romeo. Cool ass dude. He was prior military, a Marine at that, and he streams on Twitch and he does his thing. He mainly plays squad, but of course he plays other games as well. He has a server for his squad game. The link will be down below for that. I fucked that all up. Or at least the name of it. It's Fro Squad. Hit him up. Cool ass dude. You'll enjoy his hip thrust. He's just a down to earth dude. Check out the Nade Face. Cool ass dude as well. Prior Army. Cool ass dude. He's always streaming new games and has a good fan base. And he's a cool dude to talk to. Check him out. His link will be down below. Check out Shoot a Q. Prior Air Force. Still is in. Yeah, check him out. Cool ass dude. Yeah, he's down to earth, and so is the people around him and his mods. Check him out. He's always playing like retro games and random games at that. So check him out and his Twitter as well. His link will be down below. Yeah, check out one of my sponsors as well, BLUvos Energy. The link will be down below for that. You get 10% off using my code, Delegation. Also, another sponsor of mine, Street Poetics Entertainment. If you're looking for custom music, hit them up. They will hook you up and give you a discount on their music prices, things like that. Check them out. And also check out Gamerborn for your awesome shirts. The link will be down below for that as well. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching. Skynet will rise. And remember, nerd on.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video, share, and subscribe. Remember everyone always, nerd on.